Okay, it's been about 30 minutes since I received the package that had my work gloves, the new gloves in it. And everything was clear out here. This snow buildup is just in the last 30 minutes against the door. The walkway was totally clear. The driveway, I just got done finishing, totally scraping it off and everything. I don't know if you can tell how big those snowflakes are, but those are big. I mean, look what they're coming in here, and they're just, big. Let's go take a look out the back. All right, okay, yeah, it's already coming in down here. It's blowing in down here again. Can't see very, I can see more of my naked eye. Oh, there you got a gust showing on the camera. Fortunately, the wind that blew through yesterday blew everything off the roof up here, so it's all clear. But yeah, it's already coming through. And let's go look over here. I just cleaned everything out here in the driveway. I mean, the driveway was cleaned. I'd run the blower and scraped in places. I had it cleaned off against here. And I just threw out a bunch of salt so I can get out to the truck for the city council meeting at 7 o'clock mountain time. So yeah, it's just, oh man. These are big flakes, and this is definitely going to be, it's fast as it's coming down, we're going to get several inches. And the National Weather Service said 1 to 8 inches. So I believe it. It's just coming down. And oh, great. The heat tape is just, it's overwhelming, the heat tape. I'm getting ice buildup in there. Oh well.